in order not to lose its consummate meaning, I wish to be blunt about this ancient debate as to whether leaders are made or they are born. Definitively, effective leaders are both born with innate traits and made through learned skills. Researchers and experts have reached this consensus about the need for the combination. The predisposition of some persons to become effective leaders on one hand is hinged on their innate qualities, their innate traits. For instance, their emotional intelligence, self-confidence, and the likes. The other side of the argument is that effective leaders must be developed, must be honed, must be enhanced through grooming, training, education, and experience. The art of communicating, the art of resolving conflictual situations, the art of making decisions can only be improved when the innate trait or the innate qualities are guided, guarded, and mentored. Don't get it twisted. After realizing your innate qualities, your innate traits, born leader, the next thing you need to do is that you need to nurture these innate qualities, innate traits through education, through mentorship, and through experience. So it's clear, leaders are both born and made at the same time. When you're a born leader and you decide to ignore the learned skill aspect of it through experience, through training, through mentorship, through grooming, and through education, your effectiveness will be limited. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more.